Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how you can connect this JBL speaker to your Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to power on this. Friends, you can see it is on right now, and then you have to simply click on Bluetooth and click on pair new device, and here you have to research this and click on M3. You can see it is pairing. Click on pair and you can see it is paired right now. You have to just click on YouTube and see it is click on this, open any of the song. You have to just scroll down, click on any of the song like this. Friends, you can see its voice. You can see its speaker is good. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.